everyone, it's Mindy Banks, the Flip Flop Chef. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to make sure everybody knows about my weekly giveaway. You can find it in my recipe community, which is on Facebook. If you go to theflipflopchef.com, you'll see a button at the top of the page where you can actually click to join my recipe community. Every Friday, all you have to do is look for the Flip Flop Friday post, leave your comment in the comment section, and then you're entered to win. Every single week I give away an exciting Pampered Chef product. Occasionally I'll throw in a gift card to Starbucks or Amazon or something else super fun. But most of the time it's a Pampered Chef product. And all you have to do is comment to enter yourself to win. And you have all weekend long. You can comment from Friday to Sunday, and on Monday morning I draw a random winner, announce the winner in the same under the same post in the comments, and then I mail that person their gift. If you have any questions about how to find the group, let me know. But like I said, you can find it at theflipflopchef.com. Click on the button at the very top to join the recipe community. While you're at theflipflopchef.com, I hope you'll also check out my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to me, there'll be a subscribe button right there on that page. And you can also shop my Pampered Chef website directly from that site as well. So if you see products in my videos that you like and that you'd like to add to your kitchen, I'd love the opportunity to be your consultant and help you get those. So if you have any questions about anything that I offer on my websites, please let me know, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Have a great day.